Well, hello again. Happy lockdown haircut. Centre stand, I've now got all painted up. 2 coats on there of Hammerite. Looks good enough. Got the spring cleaned up and back on as well. And pivot, likewise, I've got cleaned of any surface corrosion. Bit of grease on there, so to get it back together. That'll then allow us to get the bike off the side stand, on the centre stand, and then get the wheel shocks and swing arm removed so I can get them cleaned up. So that's the plan of attack. Like that. And that just slides in there. Like that. 10mm Allen key, Allen socket. I'll check the torque settings for that before I finish it off with the brake pedal on there, but that's her on for now. I need to get that stretched to get this hooked back over here. Now the downside of that, I don't know if I can pull that quite enough. There is a trick to these, which I've used in the past, which involves slotting coins into gaps in the spring. I haven't got any coins with me to do that because it's lockdown and nobody uses cash these days, so I'm going to leave that loose, and when I get something I can use as shims, some washers or coins, I'll come back and attach that spring at that point. So that's the centre stand ready. Let's get the bike up on there and ready for the next step. So next stage now, I will get the shocks off, sorry, get the wheel off, the shocks, withdraw the swing arm pivot and the rear brake torsion arm, and get all that removed.